Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel PayPal automatic payments. So if you want to cancel this up, it's really easy. If you're using a mobile phone, you can follow the same instruction. Go to your profile icon, which in the phone on the top left side corner, then just go to the account settings here. Now once you go to the account settings, it just take a little bit of time here. Now after that, we have to go to the money, banks and cards option. After that, you will see this option of payment preferences. Now here you will get this option of block payment here, and you can see these are the automatic payments, right? So I can just go and click on manage automatic payment section here, click on it, and let's say I want to stop this Fiverr run. So I will just go and click on it, and I can just go and cancel it up. So once I go and cancel it up, it will get inactive. As you can see here, if I just show inactive, these are some of these inactive which I did here, right? So this is really easy, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.